Welcome to my vlog, Archie Olores channel. So done to appointment on my doctor, guys. So the doctor advised we can call on another next day for schedule of our eye checkup. So this is it. We are here in the plaza, walking, when vlogging. Then I start this walking from the plaza going to home. That is a 1 hour and a half walking, guys. So when I'm walking in the calle, when vlogging, guys, so I really enjoy it. My hobby is walking, so the walking is a good exercise. The first one and the second one is vlogging. So this is it, the decorations of the plaza opening for Pasko celebration here in Cebu City. So this is it. So walking here, turn around until to got my home. So 1 hour ago, 1 hour, oh, I think 1 hour and a half, I am done in our home. So nothing to jogging this morning because I am walking. In the afternoon, nothing more to jogging because I am walking in almost 30 kilometers. So 30 kilometers I will finish for walking for in a 1 hour and a half, guys. So imagine, we are in a vlog, we are in exercises. So this is it. And have uh, the more car in the other side of the plaza, guys. And the other side is the doctor. That's the doctor. That is the what else? That is the Vicente Soto doctor, and we are here in the plaza in the walking distance. And I walk this from this going to the home. So this is it. Please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you very much. Yes, this is Christmas decor, guys, in the plaza. A lot of decorations.